Alright, you guys, today I'm just out and about in Charlotte with my daughter. There she goes, there she goes, there she goes. No telling where I'm going to be going, but I'm going to tell you that you're going to find out, okay? You're going to find out. Go ahead, people you follow online, do what?
Say the people that I follow online, some of them have just started vlogging, and they were trying to decide stuff. They don't really care about, like, they just be, you know, look, they don't care if like, you have a plan, like, oh, I'm doing this right now or this right now. They just want to see what you're doing.
I was thinking that, okay, I ain't flipped the camera. When I be going in the store and stuff, I'm thinking, it look like everybody going in to do something wrong. Oh man, there's a lot of shoes in here.
Vlogging.
Yeah. Huh?
Right, redo it.
Yeah. I want to know what y'all just did. You just was verifying what?
Verified that she was the correct person that won this shoe. That's her name right there.
What? Oh, okay.
So we made sure that's her.
Alrighty.
You can print it. That's fine. Thank you.
So these shoes were reserved.
Yes.
Okay.
Survey here.
Alright.
Type in that code, go to our website, get $10 off next month.
Yes. Stuff on it and stuff from other people. So Alan's
Okay.
that like really made money. All right, let's see where there's an Old Navy or anything around here.
Well, we're gonna keep on shopping.
In 1 mile, turn left to merge onto US 74 East toward I-77 North.
It's always so he ain't got no business doing.
Oh yeah.
Always. I guess it's sure.
You need to take down your rear view mirror and then I can see everything.
Turn left.
Alright.
Take exit 2B.
And so what's that?
Bank of America Stadium.
Okay.
27 East.
It is. So that's where the Panthers play?
That is where the Carolina Panthers play.
Alright. Oh great. I got you in there. I missed it.
Got it?
And that's an Alfa Romeo. If you slow down, I can get the back of it. Isn't that something how you ride along and you want to vlog, and so you ask the person that's driving to slow down so you can get the name of the car, and that's Alfa Romeo, and this is in honor of Joshua Goodwin. I see a lot of things I like. I like the kitchen stuff.
You right, Mommy?
I missed it. I missed the picture.
No,
I need you to put the gloves back on.
Kia said TJ laughed at our picture and said he's a refrigerator.
Oh my goodness. right, Shannon, you gonna have to send me the picture of him in the gloves since he won't will come back.
It's a full moon. It's a blue moon. It's Halloween. It's Saturday night, and we fall back an hour.
Okay.
Good luck.
So it's a good thing you're not working tonight.
No, it's a great thing I'm not working.
Alright, this is a balancing contest. No cheating.
My squad is so giddy, my strength shield.
Whoa!
You're not falling after all, I guess. We got some mommy, we're winning! Mommy, we're winning!
We're winning. It's a competition. Yes!
Oh, mommy won.
I just take one thing down here.
Alright, somebody don't like to lose, so this is for the championship.
I'm gonna win. I have the best balance.
Oh! See, I know it's the first time in my life having the best balance.
You're gonna fall off before mommy.
Look, I'm having the best balance.
Are you gonna fall off or mommy gonna fall off?
You're gonna fall off.
No, you're gonna fall off.
No, I'm not. See, my feet are safe.
Ooh,
You won! I won! I'm the winner! I'm the winner, Martini!
Yes, you are. So what are you?
A rocket chair!
All right.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Lights off, baby. You gotta put your. Wait, start over. Put your arms in.
Safe is full.
Now, wait. I didn't say
What about you?
So basically 90 grams.
Wait,
If you
don't put
wasn't
this
on,
on. I
I
might
say if you
not know
wasn't on the diet, you
That's okay. I'm just gonna get the beginning and then I'll get the end. Just in case you don't know what you're doing, then I won't
they would need.
I won't put it in the video if you don't know what you're
I
doing.
don't know what I'm doing.
Huh?
Your discretion advised.
She got it out.
Like when it's like that, that
Nasty. Yo, put your hand in there.
this one's more.
Don't bump the table.
It's a jack-o'-lantern, Mommy. It's a jack-o'-lantern. It's a jack-o'-lantern.
You just throw your hand in there.
She didn't do a very good job on her lipstick.
Mike, sir.
Oh, she need lipstick, Ellen?
Yeah, there. Now, we just need a nose.
A nose?
Yeah, a round nose.
A round nose?
Yeah, in a
I
circle.
don't think I've ever seen. So never.
Something like that?
No, like a round. See?
Now you can make her put that around and then it'll look like two nostrils in the round nose, I guess.
Here, I have no idea what y'all talking about.
I'm the videographer. Just make a circle.
Look around here.
Yeah.
Go.
I'm the videographer. Alan is the producer.
Thank you.
I don't know, mommy.
She got an ugly nose. I think she needs plastic surgery.
She got an ugly nose. Okay, what else you want?
That I just made something else. How about something right here called?
No.
How about right here?
Yeah.
Hair. Oh, hair.
Hair.
Now that's how big I be, Bobby.
Maybe I make her nose go up.
No,
Okay.
no, that would hurt.
All right.
That would hurt.
It ain't gonna hurt. Yeah, she got a real nose. There we go. Now what?
Poor child.
Wait, yeah.
I'm fine.
And now,
Ninder.
What's her name?
no, Ninder.
Ninder?
Yeah. And now I want to make a cat pumpkin.
A cat? Well, we got one pumpkin.